Hello, this is Cowdrey, the Chief Scientist from Spartan News. Before we get started, I want to thank our junior researcher, Ava Cowdrey.
Yes, Queen.
Perfect.
In this report, I'm going to tell you why you should go to the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is such a beautiful place with wonderful plants and animals. When you go to the rainforest, you will be walking in such a stunning atmosphere. The Amazon has an incredibly rich ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species, 1,300 bird species, 3,000 types of fish, 430 mammals, and a whopping 2.5 million different insects. Wow! The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. It's so big that the UK and Ireland would fit into it 17 times. The Amazon rainforest is a breathtaking place due to its incredible biodiversity, vastness, and unique ecosystem, teeming with life and offering a diverse array of flora and fauna, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Scientists are discovering new species every year. For example, more than 10,000 types of beetles have been discovered in the western Amazon over the past 10 years. As risk of not knowing what we are losing, this would be a major loss since the Amazon has immense potential for scientific and medical discovery and innovation. There are many abiotic and biotic factors that live there. What is an abiotic factor, you may ask? It is a non-living organism. The opposite is biotic, which is a living organism. Some examples of abiotic factors in the Amazon rainforest are sunlight, heavy rainfall, high humidity, nutrient-poor soil, and warm temperatures. Some biotic traits would be trees, shrubs, monkeys, jaguars, insects, fungi, and microorganisms. Many animals depend and compete with different species. Animals will compete for food, love, and land. These species do this because they both want something that is scarce, so they have to compete for it or adapt it to their ecosystem. For example, the sloth has developed a unique digestive system that allows it to extract as much nutrition as possible from the leaves it eats, which are low in nutrients. The sloth also moves slowly and conserves energy, allowing it to survive on a diet that would not be enough to survive for most other mammals. Where's the best place to buy a rainforest? Amazon, of course. This is Cowdrey signing off. Hope to see you at the awesome Amazon rainforest. Oh, I'm just serious.
Yes, Queen.
The heck? Ah, dang it.